Assembly of the PrideR by Joseph Zioni, the inventor. The disassembly of the PrideR. Go to PrideR.net.
Hello folks, I'm Joseph, the inventor of the PrideR. You just saw the video. This is the world's best and only, standing only, slow moving, 2 lightweight parts, 3 wheels electric scooter. It provides mobility to seniors and people with mobility difficulties who cannot walk distance but can stand and drive. Many of those feel self-conscious to be seen outside on a wheelchair. For those people, the PrideR is the gift of life because now they can stand and walk proudly, level with people. Folks, the PrideR can be used for many other things. The PrideR can be loaded into car trunk in seconds, and it is allowed in airplanes and virtually anywhere.